Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the direct recruitment of assistant professor vacancies from the multiple colleges. And out of the different colleges here, there is an opportunity that with only post graduation, you can get the salary as 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, so please share this video after watching this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the different colleges or the universities recruitment notifications. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So here I am going to show you the recruitment notifications from the 5 different colleges. So out of the 5, it is the first one, that is Somaiya Vidya Vihar University. And from this one here I got the 4 job notifications, guys. One is assistant professor in electronics engineering, next one is electronics and telecommunication engineering, next one is information technology, and assistant to the in-charge examination. Okay, so for all these 4 posts, the last date is the 14th November 2021. So first we will check the assistant to in-charge examinations. So here as per the pay table, S14 basic pay is 38,600. The nature of employment is permanent and the requisite experience is more than 10 years of experience of handling matters related to the examinations. And the job description is given here. Position will report to Principal KJSCE. Interested candidates may send their application with the detailed biodata and copies of qualification and experience certificate to the recruitment.engg@somaiya.edu on or before 14th November 2021, or else you may apply through the website itself also. Anyhow, the candidates who are working in the examination department of any colleges more than 10 years, then you can apply for this position, guys. And while coming to the assistant professor in the information technology, the salary you will get to 50,000 rupees per month, and number of positions are 2 are there. Nature of employment is temporary for 6 months. Requisite experience is 1 to 2 years of teaching or the industrial experience. And the qualification is ME or MTech in the computer engineering or information technology or else the related branches. Whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your details as well as the copy of qualification experience certificate to the recruitment.engg@somaiya.edu on or before 14th November 2021. Fine. And while coming to the same way, assistant professor in electronics engineering and assistant professor in electronics and telecommunication. So I think it will be a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the post graduation in electronics related branches and looking for the job vacancies. So 50,000 rupees per month you will get with post graduation qualification and 1 or 2 years of teaching experience. The way of application is also same thing, and you need to do taking the lecturers practical tutorial and other college or the university works you need to do. But remember one thing, guys, only 11 months you are going to work there if you want selected. Okay, so it is a temporary positions. Fine. So here also same thing, electronics and communication. So ME or MTech in the electronics engineering or electronics and telecommunication or else the allied branches. Fine. And the position will report to head electronics and telecommunication engineering department. And coming to the next is the Punjab University Constituent College. So from this one here we got the guest faculty recruitment notification for the departments of English and physical education. The date of receiving of application starts from 30th October 2021 to 9th November 2021 is the last date. Okay, and important instructions are given here. Qualification salary as per the Punjab University UGC norm. So the interested candidates are advised to download the application pro forma, which is available in the university website itself, and affix the latest passport size photograph, color photograph, attached one set of photocopy of all documents and submit the same in the office of SUS Punjab University. on any working day. And application pro forma for direct recruitment of assistant professor can be downloaded from the official website itself. The date, time and venue of interview will be informed to the candidates. Okay, on the interview date, the candidates are advised to carry all the original documents. TADA will not be provided. Okay, and yeah, these are all the details. And coming to the next one is Bharati Vidyapeeth. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification for the different colleges of College of Engineering for Women Pune and Lavale and Navi Mumbai and Kolhapur, and the subjects are civil, mechanical, computer and mathematics. So if you want to get the details regarding the qualification and all these things, you have to enter into the career column of the official website of this one, and here the link is also provided. The last date of receiving of online applications will be 10 days from the date of publication of this one. And once after applying the online application through the college website, you need to send the hard copy also. Okay, with the duly filled and attested Xerox copies of all certificates to the Secretary, Bharati Vidyapeeth Bhavan, 4th floor, Bharati Vidyapeeth Central Office, LBS. Okay, so and here also the address is there, so you need to send the hard copy to this address. Fine. And coming to the next one is Techno India Group. So position vacants of Government of Jharkhand established engineering colleges. Okay, in these places, and diploma also. Wanted the PhD, MTech, BTech for the regular post of principal, professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies in the departments of CSE, ECE, EEE, civil and mechanical streams with appropriate qualifications and experiences. And in addition to the faculty position, people with industry experience of minimum 5 years and having the good license with industry are welcome to join the full-time, part-time TPO or consultants. So please apply with full confidently mentioning post and a preferred location with a detailed resume at hrjharkhandnew@gmail.com. Coming to the next one is Malabhum Institute of Technology from Bankura. Here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there in the civil, electrical, mechanical and administrative officer positions are also there. So MBA and HRM with minimum 3 years of experience is preferable. So interested and eligible candidates may send your CV to the provided mail ID. In the same way, the lecturer in English and Physics department, the lecturer vacancies are also there. So the interested and the eligible candidates may apply or else may send your CV to this provided mail ID. Fine. MIP Bishnupur 2014@gmail.com. Okay, and here the contact numbers are also provided. So the interested candidates or any queries you are having, you may contact these numbers. Fine. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism administration management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.